Do you know when the feeling of frustration when I try to grow a small account and nothing seems to work? You try several strategies and don't deliver real results. This video tutorial, a strategy can help you grow a small account by following a few simple steps. So stay tuned to the video on the end, guys, and it will surprise you. Let's go to the time frame right here. Okay, we're gonna use right candle 30 seconds on time frame. Alright, so let's go to indicators and set the Donchian Channel, Williams, and MACD. Alright, we are going to use three indicators with that. The first one, 25. Okay, the color is up to you. I'm using that one. So the next is MACD 4, 10, 5. Don't forget to change that. That's important. And William, then on period, and that style. Okay, you can set the color of your choice in the histogram and click and save. So let's start trading, guys. All right, the trade time will be 1 minute and quick strategy. We're gonna start with $24 with 1 minute expiration time. And look at that, we just got a situation right here that is like a revert. Okay, the price is going to fall, and if that's logical, I'm sure you all understand, guys. Before this, starting with the first candle, we have to try to break this level right here, and you can see that it's trying to break that zone. I see that the shadows of the green candles touch out the line indicator several times, and now they start to go down at the same time that they have interception. So the MACD line. Okay, look at that. All right, and that's a downward trend. Okay, and you see that all the carriers in this point have lost the trend and correction have begun. And we have the histogram right here with the indicators. This is one. I can't know how much is going to fall at the moment. So look at that. We just got your first one, $46 in the total. And that's pretty good, guys. Okay. All right, so right here we're gonna use this again. The next one is almost the same situation. All right, so I see all this here before I enter the short position. That's very good scene because now I don't see the red candles. The correction has already started with the current pair. It has already started to follow even before crossing the lines. So pay attention on this. I don't see any problem with what it says here. So I think a trade that will always be profitable and avoid bad situation. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Authorize it to see the past correction. See that happening. You can see that signals have been successful in the past and could generate profits. This will be good and we'll always have opportunity with this new signal. But here it's look like noise and you can understand what's going on. It's better to skip the signal and look at something else. Here you see the past correction. Let's stop. When you see that's opening the trade, wait till you see the images. And look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. $87 of profits. Okay, keep in mind that's just a strategy that can change your path in the markets. To be professional and master the best of most profit strategies in this market is a deal, but don't worry, I prepare several pieces of content with different results in this video to help you develop this, guys. Alright, I don't see any problem here either, and make a buy trade right now. Look at that, that's pretty good. But I will tell something that can help you a lot. For example, have the trades give me the profits because it was good. I've been training for about 10 minutes on the growth, scope, and trade start of the strategy. It's better to open a buy trade here than correction and sell trade on that button. I think a little bit understand the logic in 20 seconds to buy. Okay, So good to train that here. It's better to open a buy trade here. Oh my gosh, man, please just respect that. Okay, guys, you can always use that, but it can really help you. The results will be better. Look at this for now. That's not be expected. And losing it. Is there no correction? Oh my gosh, you're going to lose this. And one signal. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys, that's not good. Okay. 4 minutes 55. You need a lot of management strategy. I often write about in my Telegram. If you just press the button correctly, they will lose money. If you just repeat the action and don't think about what happened, we lose money. If thinking it possible and looking for an easy way to make money, it doesn't exist. We'll always lose. My videos projects are not about how to make money fast. I always want to write after watching my videos. Only smart and patient people will start to make profits, which is great. They can help you in some ways. But for your account to grow, you need to learn and understand the logic of behavior of candlesticks. Okay.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Oh yeah, so please watch then, guys. Look for this video that can help you. And when you have another winning position in my account. Oh, we got this $125. They are really good results. I'm going to take a break, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. Best luck for the next time. Have a great day. See you in the next live session on the channel. Have a great day and see you later, guys. Wish you good profits, good earnings, and good trading stocks. Bye bye.